We spend our lives buried under years of noise, fear, and endless digital distraction. In this environment, the pressure to conform is constant, often drowning out our ability to hear our own thoughts. Survival in this world often requires the construction of a persona, a meticulously crafted self-image designed to secure societal approval. We present this version of ourselves to the world as a shield against judgment. Maintaining this persona forces us into a cycle of repair. We spend our energy patching cracks in our outward appearance, focusing on the surface rather than building a solid internal foundation. The result is a profound fracture. The identity we present to the world is a construction, disconnected from our deeper truth and internal reality. Maintaining this facade requires a massive, ongoing expenditure of cognitive and emotional energy. Projecting a self-image that isn't yours is a heavy, invisible burden carried every single day. When we rely on fleeting motivation to fuel this false image, we inevitably reach a limit. The result is a visceral, existential exhaustion, burnout that signals the collapse of surface-level discipline. There comes a sacred, uncomfortable moment in front of the mirror when you realize that the person you've been is no longer enough for the life you want to live. Conscious willpower cannot force an exit from this exhaustion. Real change requires a descent, leaving the surface to explore the subconscious terrain where our identity is actually formed. Plato described this trap in his allegory of the cave, suggesting that our perceived reality is often a distorted illusion. He imagined prisoners chained in the dark, watching figures dance upon a wall. These shadows represent the false labels and projections we accept as truth. We mistake the expectations of others for the boundaries of our own potential. Escaping this false reality requires a deliberate choice to turn away from the familiar. It involves ascending toward the light, even when the climb is painful. This seeking of truth beyond comfortable perceptions is the beginning of self-mastery. The greatest victory is found in conquering the narratives that have kept us in the dark. Psychiatrist Carl Jung built a framework for this journey. He focused on the shadow, the parts of our identity we deny, ignore, or refuse to acknowledge. Jung defined the shadow self as a hidden repository for everything we reject. It contains our shame, our unacknowledged fears, and our uncomfortable traits. However, this repository also contains our suppressed potential. By burying our discomfort, we unintentionally bury our capacity for boldness, creativity, and strength. Our raw power remains inaccessible as long as we refuse to face the parts of our psyche that cause us the most friction. Eventually, the suppressed shadow rebels. It forces a violent psychological eruption against the meticulously constructed, fragile ego we've worked so hard to maintain. This fracture feels like a disaster. It is a necessary deconstruction, a moment where our false identity breaks apart to reveal what is underneath. Jung noted that confronting a person with their shadow is the mechanism required to show them their own light. We must see the whole truth to find the path forward. This breakdown functions as a clearing of debris. It uncovers the raw, unfiltered psychological power buried by years of distraction and fear. Moving forward requires integration, the clinical process of achieving wholeness. This doesn't mean becoming your darkest impulses. It means acknowledging them so they no longer control you from the dark. Acknowledging hidden traits reclaims energy wasted on suppressing them. Stop fighting your nature to access your full mental resources. This internal synthesis transforms discipline from a punishing chore into alignment, where your actions move perfectly with your deepest values. By weaving these threads together, you end the internal war. You build a unified identity that functions with intention and clarity. The most significant barrier between you and your greatest achievements is the way you see yourself. Surviving this psychological fracture and embracing your shadow forges a resilience that external setbacks cannot touch. You become the kind of person who can handle whatever comes. The reward for this journey is total authenticity. You stop existing as a projection and start living as a complete, deliberate person. Stop patching cracks in an old foundation. Embrace the uncomfortable breakdown and rise with a cohesive, integrated self-image.